Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Heat and Nia Fix, I Destroy, and Neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Sorry, promise Mary. Sorry, get on yala young waiter so.
Now let you know Kogi is hanging away him. Now let's go Saga chess. Puna man, you a step man.
Yes.
Shamina, I want to go home.
Yeah, you look tired.
I do actually look tired.
Yeah. Right. That's another thing.
Yeah. Oh, guys, my ears blocked for the past 3 days. Whoever's grandmother is busy with me, please, eh? Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah.
abagege.
Hi, bo, guys. Hi,
3 days zonke indlebe.
Yebo, kwenzakalani?
Khona bakubiza emsamo. Cela ungezwe manje.
What does that mean, Dlamini?
Uthi ungezwe, cela ungezwe.
With my voodoo doll. Oh, gosh. Hi, guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Finding you?
I'm good. Guys, we go around asking couples questions now. Would you guys be okay with that?
Shop girl.
Okay.
It's fine.
Yeah, I'm not
Cool.
glad.
Okay. Okay, Scott, can you be on my right, please? Come to my right.
Sure.
That means where should we go? Oh, okay. Sorry, come this side. Sorry. The same place we came from. Hey, let me see.
Yeah, freedom and shade.
Huh?
Yeah, freedom and shade. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Hey, but Lamini, what's happening with the mic? It's fine.
Oh.
Okay, on my left, Scott. Okay, name?
I come along Skumbuzo.
Skumbuzo and
Tad.
Tato.
Hey,
Tato, how long have you been with Skumbuzo?
7 months.
7 months.
Yeah.
Still going strong. Skumbuzo, where did you meet her?
We met at the mall.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she was headed to the movies. I was out with the gents, yabo.
Uh-huh.
Angichaza ngathi awuthi ngimlandele usisi yazi ngizama ukumenza wami yabo.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the first thing that you said to her?
The first thing I said to her,
Uh-huh.
let me try to recall, man. Oh, it was a compliment. It started off with a compliment.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Like a compliment. I told her how cute she is, you know.
Uh-huh.
And then we linked up, exchanged numbers. There was a time where we went out on a date at least, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, then we started talking, and then we started, giving it a base, call it a thing.
Oh, a thing.
Yeah, now
Which was the talking stage?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Girl, what is it that you like about Skumbuzo?
Umutle, opera handle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, romantic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Skumbuzo, Valentine's Day is coming up, my guy. What's the plan? Or is it a surprise?
For me, I don't think we should celebrate love one day, you know.
It should be every day.
Yeah, Valentine's is irrelevant to me.
Nigga, shut up. What's your star sign?
I'm an Aries.
Oh,
Wow, that reaction.
smooth talker, smooth operator.
Yeah.
Like, okay.
Yeah.
So you might not celebrate it, but then on you celebrate
there will
it
be
every day.
something. There will be something. But, I don't celebrate love on just one day. Yeah.
Tato,
Hello.
I can see you blushing. I can see you blushing. Are you happy about that?
Yeah.
So even if Jay, he were to show up with nothing on Valentine's Day, it's not that deep. He might show up with something on the 15th or the 16th.
Yeah, it's fine by me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, girl. What is it that you like about her?
I can't pick one thing.
Why are you this person?
I can't pick one thing,
Okay. So you like everything?
I value her as a whole. And yeah, she's everything. She's a dime to me.
Okay.
What do you like about me, baby?
She just said. You see, you don't listen.
No, I mean, there must be much more. There must
Okay.
be much more.
You heard your man?
Umpamnati ni?
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Umpam.
Is that enough for you?
I'll take that. I'll take that.
Wow. Wow. Okay. But do you trust her though? On a scale of 1 to 10?
I give her a solid 9.
Solid 9.
Solid 9.
Okay. Tato,
Hello.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust Uskumbus?
5.
You 5. Why?
I don't know if I keep tape kapa ho etsala mara wa mona le wena obviously.
Oh, to put my cream. I understand and mna. So you don't trust him. And you know xa ephumile nguye oshelwayo. You
Mara
get
wa
that
mona ke
such.
snake akere.
Yes. No, I understand. I understand. Okay, guys, let me get to the point so you guys can leave, right? What we do on this show is that we basically make couples switch phones. Okay, you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. We're testing your loyalty.
Yo.
Also, I think it might put you at ease because you don't trust him.
On tape. Trust me, on tape, boys.
Ha, ai khonala.
On tape, boys.
She doesn't trust you, she just said.
5 though. Mara no yakthemba, Joe. So I suggest you give me your phone and I give you mine. I have nothing to hide.
Okay.
What?
Tato, are you hiding something?
Ah, ke batla ho tsamaya fela le motho wa ka.
But he wants to check your phone.
It's just a simple thing, baby. Keep your phone. Namin keep your phone.
So wena baby o mamela nna or ena?
No.
It's not about that. It's not about that.
Okay. O tlwa
He wants
ka
to-
ena.
But,
A ke re nna ke re tsamaye. Ena o re o checka di phone. Mamela nna o ena.
It's just a side activity, babe. Angithi.
Tlametse o kgethe no. Nna o re.
Oh,
Tsamaye. Tsamaye.
Tato, you are manipulative.
Hai.
Are you hiding something on your phone?
A re tla bona guys. Wa tsamaya o wa sala mo lena. Phone for what?
We'll start with
A ka re
his.
batla phone ya hao.
Okay, yeah. Aqalwe ngeyami.
Ho tloha neng jwale re tshintshana di phone
I really
nna.
on tape. You just gave
Phone
me
ya hao ke ya hao
I
mos.
gave you a solid 9. But it's gonna get
Tato, you're acting funny. No. Mm-mm. I think she's hiding something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tato.
Ke?
Could be phone.
Kopa bag ke tsamaye.
Hayi ntombazana, hayi, sijongele Beyonce uyenzayo. Could be phone.
Okay,
Wena ka bag ya ka.
Also, it's like three.
A se futse ba.
Ke a tseba hore
You don't know her pin. Okay, Tato, can you please have your pin?
Ah.
Okay, if we go through his phone first,
and then
will it be fine?
Eh, a ke rena wa batla ka ya it's fine. Re ka I checka mara ya ka ke sa batle. A ke batle.
and I get you to pin your phone.
Oh, re tla bona ne.
Okay, it's fine. Let's start with yours, ne?
Okay.
Okay, give me that one.
Yeah, nice.
Okay. There you go. Okay, go to his WhatsApp, ne? Ra e bule he. Oh. Okay, go to his WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, type love you.
Ho hlanna mo.
Okay,
Yeah.
delete that. Type miss you.
Miss you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ho hlapalesa mo le nna.
Palisa,
Ke co-worker ya ka yabo.
you miss your coworker.
Yeah, she's my co-worker, you know. It's nothing deep. It's not that deep. Can chill.
Go into the chat.
Okay. Palesa o bontsha le bona ne.
Sibona izinto up.
Sinjalo.
Sibona izinto up.
Akusikanjalo yabo.
What do you mean?
Lezi zinto lezi mina ngazi ukuthi sifuna ngefonini yami.
Awutibi. Wa bona ngitsa style.
No, thato ngamena. Lezi zinto
Ke
lezi.
style la uncheba ne.
Akusuka ukuthi ngikwenza isnipe, ungasho kanjalo.
Check ne.
Okay, go into media. Pofu, we've already seen. Do you want to call Upalis?
Ke mfonela Palesa. Kumfonela. U sure?
Come.
Okay. Uya Palesa go.
Okay, let
Amazing.
me just get the number.
Palesa.
Oh,
Yo, wena na.
So what's it concept?
you lol.
What's it concept?
Laughable.
Arabon. Palesa.
Phela ungasixabanisi phela manje.
Ah, it's my fault again.
No. It's fine.
Ah.
Right.
Hi, can I please speak to Palesa?
Speaking. Palesa. Yeah, no go.
Speak, Scott.
Good.
Hi, Palesa, do you know Skumbuz?
Isikhumbuzo yebo umuntu
For how long?
sesina 3 years.
Ungaqamba ma.
3 years.
Qamba ma. Bese. Ungaqamba ma.
Okay, when was the last time you saw him?
Izolo benginaye.
Unamanga.
What? Nenza ntoni izolo?
Hayi mfethu ungaqamba manga mfethu.
Movie.
Hayi mamela.
Okay, thank you, Pali.
Kuyiphi awantshole wena.
Mamela. Ehlisa umoya.
3 years.
Ehlisa umoya.
And you guys have been together for 7 months.
Ehlisa umoya mfethu ngiyaqhela.
Ah,
Awusayichi.
Nindo, she's not a side chick.
Awusayichi. Okay. Mamela. Okay. Re keep it honest.
You listening?
Re keep it honest. Yabo. Nna le Palesa. We're going through a rough patch. You understand? Yabo. So yena ha re asayichaya nna, asampatla. I had to do something. I had to move on. Not knowing gore tlo khutla bo ene so le teng wena. Nka so lahle fela. Ene mame, skalwa. I saw go etsa rebound or I had no choice and I didn't know how to break it down to you. Mame.
So you're still dating you both of them?
It's kind of complicated, you know.
Ah,
It's kind of complicated.
it's not complicated. You saw her yesterday.
No.
Palisa, and you guys have been together for 3 years.
Nah, Palisa, she's the one who asked me to go to the movies.
Mhm.
I just had money to pay for the tickets. That's all.
You wait.
It's not like
Chebeka.
baby, baby.
Chebeka.
Be.
Can I have her phone,
Cela
please?
sikhuluma endlini.
Hayi bodla vini?
Endlini sikhuluma endlini.
Iphi phone?
Ngiyacela. Cela sendlini sikhuluma endlini isilungisa yabo. Ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi manje ngiyacela be.
Kubathuba lwena.
Ngiyacela mntase sikhuluma endlini.
Okay. Oh, can you open your phone, Pal? Oh, it's your face. Okay. Go to her WhatsApp, ne? Sfebe.
Wala thiba tanka mo. Ska wa.
Type love you.
Yemets.
What did you say?
Ushayana namas. Vela mina mfethu.
Okay, delete. Who revenge?
Utleva wena.
Type miss you.
Utleva ja. Check.
Ke mang sakhile?
Oh,
Sikanjalo re ke mpintsha.
Ngiyabamisa babantu nini.
Kopa sikanjalo re ke sakhile mpintsha ka o.
Banu Sakhile? Go into the chat.
Cheka.
Cela ungangitsheli ukuthi mpintsha msakhile. Yo.
Sakila asilix.
Wow.
Checking. Check amu.
So you with his friend?
Cheka. Check. Check. Upetile. Right.
Yo. So you get revenge.
Awusa shake. Right.
Yo.
Na phone ya ka e.
Hima.
Mpintsha me mara.
Yeah.
Masifone.
Usa.
Oh, yaseka.
Okay. Kupo phone ya ka e uboni mus.
Mara mpintsha.
That's why you didn't want us to check your phone. Hey, chat.
Uyatitse bibere tsamaye wa re he wa to checka wena. O right.
Khohlakele Thato. Thato khohlakele.
Yo. Bafethu, sakhile ngizombulala bafethu. Yo.
Ubulai. Clever kwena.
Yo.
Hi, can I please speak to Sakhile?
Hello.
Oh.
Sakhile ka uyihleva sibani.
Ukhuluma ngani bali?
Wena uyangijwayela macala afele mina ngiyavaya wena ubhizi nento yami.
Ukhuluma nobani ka into yakho bani?
Baba ukhuluma noSikhumbuzo Sibali.
Umbuzo. Uthi into yakho bani sikhumbuzo?
Sibali uyazi ukuthi masingibamba uThatha Sibali mawuthi into yami ubani Sibali wena bowenzani noThatha?
Amona lo mntana uzilethile usethini mina?
Okay sure bona njengamacala ami njengoba baziletha kuwe wena uthini Sibali?
Ngithini mfethu?
Yazini Sibali. Hayi sezodibana mpondo ka.
Code nyana.
Mfethu anabhekela Sibali uyenzi la ile nkawo.
Ikaw.
Sibali uyenzi la ile Sibali wena sonogidla nento yami.
Eba bizilethile into yakho kumele ubophinja yakho wena.
Msunu wakho Sibali ungitshela lento ngitshela yona Sibali.
Baba ikawusazi.
Azini ka. Ayazini ka. Wena
King wena.
tayibona pala maka uye kwa henu kwa diplasing huko. Kyawuzama kutlisetsa ntho tse mnate. So kyawuzama mfethu wena uthi bantho tse mnate ka nna mfethu. Plan B.
Plan B ngisakile. Unana kina plan B wena.
So ke mang plan B? Plan B ya ke macala ka.
Ka replace wena ke inga wena.
Shapa wa tsa king mfethu. Anathata mfethu yabo. Tayibona utswa jwang. Tayibona utswa jwang. Sure. Tag.
I'm sorry.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, Sikhumbuzo.
No need to feel sorry, you know.
Mm.
It's just another day, another toll. At least ngisaphethe upalisa, you know what I mean?
Oh, the backup.
At least ngisaphethe upalisa. yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's fine, eh? We move, we ball, eh?
Okay, my scats.
Oh.
You can go about your business there. I'm sorry. Sorry about
You
that.
have yourselves a nice day, eh?
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Wena, ipolo utswa jwang, eh?
Good boy.
Ooh, he is fine.
Ooh.
Oh, child, he was fine.
Usijwayele lento yakho.
Ooh, what a
That was fine.
fine young
I
Tay.
mean, what do you mean is fine?
Nothing. He's fine. Like he's fine. Emoyeni right.
Isongazongenzekani please.
Ooh, emoyeni mani ula.
Yazi ngibona ngendlela omncome ngayo lapha ngathula ngamabomu. Ngibona indlela omncome ngayo lapha.
I mean, oh, South African men are so beautiful. Yo, I shame South African men are hot.
Nami ngila.
Especially, South African men, also one thing I've seen, when a guy is short, you must just know his face card is going to be lethal. He's going to be... And
I'm short, Mos.
oh, today you want to admit that you're short.
I've never denied the fact that I'm short.
Okay.
I've never.
But when a man is short, you must just know his face is going to...
It's giving. Yithi Pinda momude kanje you don't qualify.
Pinda's short.
Pinda mude.
Pinda, are you short at all?
Pinda is 8'5", yes.
Really?
Yeah, 8'5". Tina singaboma
But isn't Pinda the same height as me?
Nah, Pinda is taller than you. It's taller than safe.
Is it taller than me?
The ground level is not leveling.
Hi, Bo, I'm here.
No, it's not the same.
But I'm...
Ngiyabona umuntu Pinda. Pinda is taller.
But by 2 centimeters.
Nah, Pinda uyathola mfethu.
Do you think I'm a tall girl or average height?
You're not tall, you're not short, so
Yeah, I'm average height. Yeah, okay.
average height. But for the fact you're good, you said that guy is fine.
He's fine.
It means something. Yabo uzuthi That's
That's fine.
unobuwa.
No, man, I'm not there, Thumbs.
This ngathi ujamekile nje yes. You are charmed
I'm
by that.
not. This is fine.
Izivala amehlo is fine. Awu sasa.
He's fine. But anyway, we can close the show, Nedlams.
No, we can close the show, but inhliziyo yami ayikho right.
Okay, ufuna ndithini Dlamini? What can I do to make your heart
Say the
better?
truth. No, say the truth.
Okay. What? What truth?
What do you mean is fine? Ufuna
He's good looking.
ngendlela yokuthi
He's good looking.
Yeah, in a way that you can.
No, just because I said someone is good looking doesn't mean I want to do anything with them.
No, it's just not good looking. Nje kuphelele lapho.
But I mean, what do you mean? There are men who think I'm cute, but they wouldn't date me. You understand? So it's the same thing.
So now bomncoma nje.
Yes.
Kuphelela lapho.
Hmm.
Yazi na uthemba sana.
But really, Lams, am I lying?
Yes.
I'm the women that are beautiful to you, but you wouldn't date them.
Abekho.
Hayi njani Dlamini?
Beautiful ngiyakufuna.
Really?
Yeah. Hayi.
Okay, it's not the same with women. As women, we can say, oh, someone is good looking, but we don't, you know.
I don't trust you. You think I don't trust you when it comes to that gent.
Okay.
And umntana lo uzolimaza umntana. That boy is very young. Mncane.
Yeah, he's very young. He's very young. I wouldn't.
So yeah.
I wouldn't.
Sticker la. Sticker la.
Oh,
Ngiyisole.
okay, Dlamini. We can close now.
Let's close.
Are you satisfied
Now saying right.
that I answered you?
Yeah. Ngaze nga-emphasize for the fact ukuthi mncane.
I mean, I was not ever gonna, you know.
Me, I know.
You know what?
Ukuthi since umncomile.
I'm not a pedophile.
No, you're not. I know.
You know that. But
It's rare for wena ukuthi uncoma. Yabona once wancoma umjida.
don't lie.
Okay, how many guys have you?
But if a man is good looking, I will say it.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean I want him.
It's rare for you to say that. So for
Okay.
you to say it,
Mhm.
kunento oyibonile.
That is hot.
Mhm.
But it doesn't mean I'm gonna do anything. Ndiyithanda kangaka imali Dlamini ndizawuthini nomntana?
Asazi mhlawumbe unga-compromise.
You Hayi lol. Lol, you know me too well to ever say that.
Yo imali yona. Oh yini sana.
Let's close the show, Lams.
Mali.
Can we close the show?
Lento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo manje. Eish.
Elon.
Okay. I saw something on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, eyakho nomlungu.
Mm-hmm.
When you guys went to a date.
Mm-hmm.
And I was watching it and you said something.
What did I say?
You said that because umlungu ukubuzile about the boyfriend. Yabo. And when you say what is so single? I understand. Umlungu athi, how come you are single? Because you told me that you have a boyfriend 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yabo. So namhlanje boyfriend is what happened?
I broke up with her.
Okay, that's funny show this up.
Guys, leave me alone. If a man is not acting right, you're supposed to dump him. I did. I dumped him and I blocked him everywhere. I did, yeah. The beginning of the year was weird for me. I was going through a lot.
A lot was going through you.
Dlamini, please.
Okay, that's funny.
We can close the show. Okay. All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Facebook, welcome Dlamini. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. On IG, it's welcome _Dlamini 88. Danko phinda mzala.
Bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Una mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esigabena ngibena nokhamba.
Yes.
Uma pheze ngadlala.